Hello, fellow investors. You might think that you need a lot of money to start investing, but that's not true. You can start investing with just $100 and grow your wealth over time. But how? The first thing you need to do is to open an online brokerage account. This is where you can buy and sell stocks, ETFs, bonds, and other securities. You can find many online brokers that offer low fees, no minimums, and easy-to-use platforms. Next, you need to decide what to invest in. There are many options, but one of the simplest and safest ways to start is to invest in index funds. Index funds are collections of stocks that track the performance of a market or a sector. For example, the S&P 500 Index Fund tracks the 500 largest companies in the US. By investing in index funds, you can diversify your portfolio, reduce your risk, and enjoy low costs. Now, you might be wondering how much of your $100 should you invest in index funds? Well, there is no one-size-fits-all answer, but a good rule of thumb is to follow the 50-30-20 rule. This means that you should invest 50% of your money in index funds, 30% in individual stocks, and 20% in cash or bonds. This way, you can balance your growth, income, and stability. So, how do you choose individual stocks? You can look for companies that you like, use, or believe in. You can also look for companies that have strong fundamentals, competitive advantages, and growth potential. Finally, you need to have a long-term mindset and be consistent. You should not chase after hot stocks, panic when the market drops, or sell when you make a small profit. Instead, you should invest regularly, reinvest your dividends, and hold your stocks for years. This way, you can benefit from the power of compounding and achieve your financial goals. So, there you have it. You can start investing with just $100 and become a successful investor. We post new videos every week on how to make money, save money, and invest money. So please subscribe and hit the bell button for more of the same. Until then, happy investing.